Hello everyone. In this recipe, I'll show you a very popular traditional Italian dish. Pasta with potatoes. How to cook an Italian pasta dish with potatoes. First, you need to prepare all the ingredients. Chop the potatoes very finely then. Pour water over the potatoes and set aside. Chop the onion very finely. If it's a large onion, I use half an onion or a small one. Chop the garlic clove very finely. Cut the mozzarella into small pieces. Smoked mozzarella or smoked provolone, or any other smoked cheese of your choice. Cut into cubes and you're done. All the ingredients are in the description below the video, or you can pause the video and read on. We'll need pasta, grated Parmesan cheese, smoked mozzarella, onion, garlic, potatoes, parsley, salt, black pepper, and olive oil. This dish is prepared in a pan. Pour the olive oil into the pan. Add the onion, the garlic and salt. Add paprika to taste. Fry a little until the onion is translucent. Add 1 liter of water. And immediately add the potatoes. Add ground black pepper and cook until cooked through. Only when the potatoes are cooked, add the pasta. Stir immediately and cook until cooked through. In this case, the pasta will cook a little longer than indicated on the package. Stir constantly. Taste the pasta to see if it is al dente. Add the mozzarella and stir immediately. Smoke syrup, stir constantly immediately. Add grated cheese or any other cheese of your choice. Stir with a spoon so the cheese doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Add the parsley, stir, and it's ready. This pasta is really tasty. Enjoy your meal. Watch my other videos. Subscribe. Comment. I wish everyone health and good luck, Dad.